I had a client a couple of years ago who came in to see me, and she was just frustrated. She was aggravated. She was tired of some of the things that she was seeing in the media. And sarcastically, she said to me, "How do we change the world?" And I stopped and I closed my eyes, because that's what I do when I check in. And an answer came. And I started to answer. And she's like, "Oh, that was rhetorical. I don't think you really have an answer." And I said, "But I do." And I said, "We change the world when we change ourselves. We heal the world when we heal ourselves." And I'm sure well, I hope you've experienced those times where, because you were in pain, because maybe you were dealing with an illness or an injury or something like that, that everything seemed hard. Breathing could be hard. Getting out of bed could be hard. Those everyday activities could have felt hard, maybe even insurmountable. And yet, as you healed, maybe things came back into focus and you found them to be easier. Well, that energy, whatever we're experiencing at that time, if it's hard, we show up in the world differently. When we're finding that ease and that joy and that flow, and we're feeling really good and really vibrant, again, the energy we show up in and what we share with the world is different. So, as you can imagine, as you heal, what you share with others changes. So, how do we change the world? By changing ourselves. We heal the world by healing ourselves. It has an impact, whatever form of healing that might be. It could be chiropractic, it could be psychic healing, it could be Reiki or massage or acupuncture, however you might go about doing it. You heal, you heal the world. So thank you for what you do.